Hi students! Today I'm going to show you how to use tabs to navigate easier during distance learning. We're going to be using Google Classroom to start and using the tabs to be able to switch back and forth between different activities is going to be really important to us. We will begin each morning by going into a Google Meet together. I have my Meet tab open here. And this is where I would join the meeting. Of course, the meeting isn't happening right now. Those are only for scheduled times, but we're going to want to leave that tab open when we're done because that way we can go back and join the meet easier. Here I have a tab for my Google Classroom. If I didn't have that open already, I might be able to navigate to my Google Classroom through the icon, or I can use the tab up on top. This takes me into my Google Classroom. When I'm in Google Classroom and I am selecting an assignment, I want you to watch up here to see what's happening to the tabs. So if I was listening to a read aloud, sorry, that one's not posted yet. Okay, I'm going to open this thinking map one right here. Sorry about that. It happens to all of us. I'm going to open the slides. When I click on open the slides, a new tab is opening up here. And this is where I'm going to be doing my work. I have another video about how to type onto the slides and things that are shared with you in Google Classroom. You would do all that. And then if you're done and you've turned in on yours, you select turned in and you're completely done with this document and you don't want to go back to it, you could click here. Okay. But by being able to go back and forth between my different tabs when they're open, I might open up this thinking map and then decide, oh, you know what? I think I would like to watch the video about how to do that again before I go to my actual thinking map page. So I could watch the video, which is here. I know it looks a lot the same, on how to write on the map. And then when I'm done, I could tab right back to my thinking map. When I want to go back to Classroom to check the assignments, there's my tab. So by leaving these tabs open on the top and switching back and forth in between them, that is going to help me to navigate back and forth, just like as if it was a piece of paper in a book, and I'm rearranging which thing I'm looking at. So each of these things are kind of things that I can move to the front. So when I click this tab, I've moved it to the front. Everything else is still there, but this is what I see and what I can work on. And if I need to go back and review the video, I can go back and review the video. You can see it's a video here. And if I want to go back and check my assignments, I can go back and check my assignments. So we're going to use these tabs to navigate back and forth between different activities and things while we're working on our virtual Google Classroom.